What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video we do have an update on UMA, which has gone for a major increase, as you guys can see by the huge green candle here. It is currently up 44%, currently at $1.90. So we'll be going through what is next for the crypto. How high is it likely to go for the rest of July and over the next few months? Is it worth buying it right now? Is it worth selling it? Essentially covering buyers and sellers' point of view. But before I do that, if you're new to the channel, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video. And also, this is no financial advice. Any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So, due to the major pump here at the bottom, we have the RSI, which has shot up to 86.23, which is pretty high, guys. As you guys can see, compared to the yellow line here, the purple line is very high, indicating the crypto right now is overvalued and is likely to go through a price correction. Over the next 12 to 14 hours, I am predicting it to drop back down below $1.65. So essentially heading back down, hitting more red candles. Reason for that is it's gone through a sudden pump earlier this afternoon and it's still ongoing. And yes, it has started to take a dip down from about $2 down to $1.90 right now. But the dip is likely to last a little bit longer for it to become a little bit more sustainable. If we zoom in into the hourly chart, we can see here the red candles have already started. It's already started to drop down in value, and it is likely to drop a little bit further down. So down to about $1.65, $1.70, somewhere around this price range is where I'm predicting it to head up to before it slowly starts to increase in value towards the end of the week, going into late July and early August. So if we bring out the MACD indicator on the hourly chart, we can see the MACD line is looking very bullish. However, it is coming into a straight line right now, slowly and steadily, and then it is likely to head down into a bearish direction. Zooming out to the 4-hour chart, the MACD line is looking very bullish, very steep, heading towards the bullish direction. Reason for that is the major pump that's taking place. However, it is not as realistic as it seems. Only reason is looking so steep is because of the major pump. So essentially over the next 2 to 3 weeks, going into early to mid-August, I am predicting UMA to be trading around the $2 mark. So at a slightly higher value than where it is at the moment. However, before that, it has to go through a price correction, taking a little bit of a dip before going through a slow and steady increase. Zooming out to the daily chart, again, exact same. The MACD line is looking too steep, which makes it not as realistic as it seems. So essentially heading into September, October, yes, UMA should be heading towards the $4 mark at a much higher value than where it is at the moment. The highest we have seen recently is about $4.45 earlier on last year, so December 24, before going for a major drop. But because I'm predicting Bitcoin to be heading over $145,000 towards Q4 of 2025, I am predicting the crypto market in general to be going for a bull run. So we should essentially see UMA heading around the $4.20 target around September, October time. But again, this is a crypto that I'll keep you guys updated on a regular basis. So getting rid of the MACD indicator, let's bring on the Bollinger Band here. So as you guys can see here, this is another indicator telling us the crypto is overvalued because the value is meant to be at, or the highest point is meant to be at, is the red line here around $1.55. However, it is trading at $1.90, which is pretty high compared to where it's meant to be trading at, indicating an overvalued crypto. So a price correction is likely to appear over the next couple of hours and essentially over the next few days as well. And that is my take on not Bollinger Band, on UMA, guys. Over the last 7 days itself, the crypto is up 62%, and over the month, a massive 74%. We can see the trading volume is up over 1,500%, currently at $267 million, meaning a lot of more people are trading the crypto right now with both buyers and sellers. But yeah, let me know in the comment section down below, how high are you guys predicting UMA to go in 2025? A lot of people have been saying $10, $20, $30, which is way out of the scale for me, because that will require a major price increase, which I'm not predicting from UMA at the moment. Potentially hitting $4.50 max, $5 by the end of the year is where I'm predicting UMA to go to by the end of the year. But prior to that, we can see the crypto did hit around $43 back in 2021, but yeah, that was about 4 years ago, and since then it has gone through a major drop. And also, if you guys want to learn about trading, get involved about technical analysis and price indicators and so on, you guys can get involved using the link in the description box down below. I have made a trading guide, A to Z, what you need to know. Again, all the details will be in the description box down below if you guys are interested. But yeah, on that note, I'm going to end the video here. Before you click off, make sure to hit that subscribe button and like the video to enter the cryptocurrency giveaway, and I'll catch you guys in my next update. Until then, take care and peace.